now I'll be doing the introduction for matrix. A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers, symbols, or expressions arranged in rows and columns. Matrices come in different types such as row matrix, column matrix, square matrix, diagonal matrix, identity matrix, zero matrix, and symmetric matrix. Common matrix operations include addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication, matrix multiplication, transpose, determinant, and inverse, which are essential for solving linear equations and transformations. Matrices have wide applications in computer graphics, such as image processing, 3D modeling, engineering, electrical circuits, structural analysis, and physics, quantum mechanics, wave equations, and relativity.
Next, I will be presenting a solution to question 1 involving 2 times 2 matrices, where we need to determine the values of 3 unknowns, A, B, and C. We are given 3 matrices, A, B, and C, defined as follows. The given equation is 2A minus 3B minus 4C equals to 0, and our goal is to determine the values of A, B, and C. First, we multiply each matrix by its respective scalar, multiplying A by 2, multiplying B by 3, and multiplying C by 4. Now, we solve for each unknown by equating corresponding elements. For A, we take the first element, 2A minus 6 minus negative 4 equals to 0, which simplifies to 2A minus 2 equals to 0, giving A equals to 1. For B, we solve 6 minus 3B minus 12 equals to 0, which simplifies to negative 3B equals to 6, giving B equals to 2. For C, we solve 4 minus 12 minus 8C equals to 0, which simplifies to negative 8C equals to 8, giving C equals to negative C. Thus, the final value are A equals to 1, B equals to negative 2, and C equals to negative 1.
Well, hello everyone. So today I will be solving a practical math problem, which is helping Mr. Azman to choose the most cost-effective hotel for his 2-night stay in Contact. So I will be using matrices and cost analysis to determine the best option. Let's begin. Well, Mr. Azman has 3 hotel options, and with each with different pricing structures. So let's break them down. For first, Swiss Bell Hotel Contact. It costs for 551 ringgit 22 cents per stay, with tax included, but breakfast costs 56 ringgit per day. For SC Hotel, we have 627 ringgit 92 cents for per stay with all inclusive. And lastly, for Naman Sentosa Bukit residents, it costs 461 ringgit 20 cents per stay, and 80% tax not included, and also breakfast costs 55 ringgit per day. Well, to simplify our calculation, we present this information as a matrix. Well, the matrix begin with the first column for the prices per day, and second column for tax, and the third column for breakfast per day. Well, here the first column represents the base price per night, while the second column is the tax percentage, and the third column is the breakfast cost per day. So now we'll be answering for the second question for the best option of the hotel. So for Swiss Bell Hotel, the total cost is calculated as room price for 2 nights, which is 551 ringgit 22 cents times 2, which is equal to 1,102 ringgit and 44 cents. And breakfast for 2 days is 56 ringgit times 2, which is 72 ringgit. So totaling up both of the costs, it will cost Mr. Azman to pay for 1,000 ringgit 174 cents and 174 ringgit 44 cents. So for the SC Hotel, the room price for 2 nights is equal to 627 ringgit 92 cents times 2, which is equal to 1,255 ringgit 84 cents, with breakfast included and no extra charges. And for Laman Sentosa, Mr. Azman have to pay for 451 ringgit 20 cents times 2, which is equal to 922 ringgit 40 cents. With tax calculation, 471 20 cents times 18%, which is equal to 83 ringgit and 2 cents. So the total of and also the breakfast with 35 ringgit for 2 days is 70 ringgit, and the total cost will be 1,075 ringgit and 42 cents. Now let's compare the total cost. For the Swiss Bank Hotel have the total of 1,000 ringgit 174 ringgit 44 cents. For AC Hotel is 1,255 ringgit and 84 cents, and Laman Sentosa with 1,075 ringgit and 42 cents. So clearly, Laman Sentosa Boutique Residence is the most cost-effective option for Mr. Azman. Even with the additional tax and breakfast costs, it is still cheaper than the other two hotels. Mr. Azman can save 61 ringgit and 72 cents compared to AC Hotel. So in conclusion, by using matrices and cost analysis, we can determine that Mr. Azman should choose Laman Sentosa Boutique Residence for his stay. So this method helps in making informed financial decisions when booking hotels.
Now I'll be doing the third question where it asks for a real life problem. We created the situation in this statement that I read for you. The statement is, at Lotus Mall, Datin bought 3 kg of chicken, 2 kg of raw meat and 4 kg of siakap fish for 220 ringgit. Puan Raihana bought 1 kg of each type with a total of 80 ringgit, while Putri Iwany paid 240 for only chicken and siakap fish. With the weight of 6 kg and 4 kg each, the goal is to calculate the price for 1 kg of each food. We solve this problem using a system of linear equation with 3 variables by representing the price of chicken as x, raw meat as y, and siakap fish as z. We form 3 equations based on the given data, which is 3x plus 2y plus 4z equals to 220 for the first equation, x plus y plus z equals to 80 for the second equation, and 6x plus 4y equals to 240 for the last equation. Using the inverse matrix method, step by step we find the determinant, minor, cofactor, adjoint, and inverse. We can also use the Cramer's rule, beginning with finding the determinant, then the determinant for x, y, and z. We solved for the price and found that chicken costs 10 ringgit per kilogram, raw meat costs 45 ringgit per kilogram, and siakap fish costs 25 ringgit per kilogram. That's all from me.
Matrices are a powerful mathematical tool essential for problem solving in various fields including computer science, physics, economics, and artificial intelligence. Their ability to structure and manipulate data makes them vital for optimizing real-world processes from market predictions to medical diagnostics. As technology advances, matrices will continue to drive innovation, enabling efficient solutions to complex problems. Mastering matrices enhances understanding of complex systems and efficiency in modern science and industry. Thank you for watching.